Hello everyone and welcome to our ICT College Massage Therapy School video channel. Now what I would like to demonstrate next is called stripping. Stripping is a technique in which we progress in continuous line using our forearm, hands, fingertips, and we apply no pressure on the way back. So here I'm stripping with one hand, reaching her aromatherapy muscle group, and I only progress in the superior direction, no pressure going down. I can use my forearm or my elbow. Now I'm using my elbow to strip up her back. So any type of linear stroke performed in one direction would be called stripping, and we can of course use different body parts. I can use my forearm. So I'm stripping with my forearm, or I can use my knuckles and strip on both sides of the back. And cut.